Hi, what's up? Do you think you got good writing skills and you want to make a couple of money from just writing articles? Basically, this video is about how you can make money from writing articles. So if you stay tuned, you're going to be hearing more about this website that I'm going to be talking about. But before we go any further, don't forget to like and to subscribe so that you can see upcoming videos that I'm going to be posting every Thursday. So let's get straight into it. So what's up everybody, it's your boy Quentin hitting you with another video of how you can make money online from doing different type of jobs online. So basically today we're going to be talking about a website called crowdcontent.com. Well, crowdcontent is a website whereby clients look for freelancers, writers, and they'll give you different type of topics that you're supposed to write on, and you're going to submit to them, and if they approve, you're going to earn a couple of money, couple of bucks from the website. So basically with crowd content, some of the jobs would be writing articles, city pages, blogs, blog posts, product description, as well as ebooks. So it just differs with the type of offers that you get from the website. So before we go any further, let's get straight onto the website. So the first thing is to go on crowdcontent.com, then you sign up, and after you sign up there's another page that is going to be shown, and then you're supposed to click on the third offer, which is as a worker, and after you click as a worker it will drive you to another page that talks about workforce page. Then you're going to sign up again now as a freelancer writer, and so most of these articles ranges from 150 words to 200, the smallest articles that are mainly there on the website. So with this website, it differs with the type of content that you want to relate to, that you want to write about. So this website pays to around $30 within an hour to $50 depending on how fast you are when it comes to writing and the type of content that you create on the withabsite or the articles that you'll be writing. So the threshold for you to withdraw is $10, and you can withdraw twice within a week. So the payment method that they have on the website is PayPal, which most of the countries do accept PayPal as a payment platform or as an e-wallet. So the good thing about this website is there is a listed topics that you see that you can choose from, and the other good thing is sometimes they can send you an email offering you different type of jobs, so that you can just check on the email. There's no need for you to check on the website application that they will give you. So this is a more professional website. That means if you take an offer and you don't complete it, they are going to give you 3 strikes, and after these 3 strikes they are going to terminate your account, because they will see that you are not with 3 things that you are not supposed to do that will affect the 3 strikes that they'll be talking about. The first thing is cancelling a job after you've taken the job. Then the second thing is missing the date of submission for you to submit the content that you have written. Then the third thing is also miss the day of revision, or the due date of revision of the content that you have written. And the other thing is about this website is too professional, that if you are only signing up so that you can make a couple of bucks and you are not a good writer, or you are not that interested in writing, it will affect the ratings that you get, or even lead to your termination of your account, because they are too professional. So for you to enjoy this website, you are supposed to enjoy writing and be good at what you do, and then you earn quite some money from their website. And for the bonus pertaining to writing or freelance writing, there's an alternative which is called Study Pool. Well, this website is mainly on helping students to write their assignments and homeworks. When you're talking to the students, you're mainly referring to high school students as well as university students on different areas of studies, that is different subjects or different modules that they will need assistance to. And the good thing about this is that the questions are already there on the website. All you have to do is to choose which type of content you want to write about. And the good other thing is the student get to pick their tutor that will be helping them to write. And on this website, usually you make from $15 to $30 within an hour. And the good thing about high school assignment is some of you have already passed that stage, so it's now much easier to write content on those websites, on those type of contents, because the more that you have done it, you have more knowledge of the type of content that is needed, or how to tackle the questions, or to write the essays that will be needed. And they pay as well weekly via PayPal and Western Union. I think the thing that I'm going to do pertaining to study pool, I'm going to make a video as I'll go in depth on how you can earn more money from the study pool account. So until then, don't forget to like, comment and to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next